Right now, a hearing's underway in Jefferson County. This after the health department there filed a lawsuit to try to force schools to comply with its mask mandate.
9 News reporter Noel Brennan is joining us live from outside the courthouse. He's been listening in all day. And Noel, the mandate requires masks indoors at schools and child care facilities.
It does, Kim, and as you mentioned, I've been here all day. I just stepped out of the courtroom where the head of Jeffco Public Health, Dr. Don Comstock, has been on the stand all day taking questions from her attorneys and now from defense attorneys for the past several hours. That courtroom is still full at this point. This morning, though, outside the court of law, there was a circle of prayer. Supporters of 3 Christian schools in Jefferson County lifted their voices in prayer and song as attorneys inside litigated the county's public health order requiring masks in schools. Jefferson County Public Health filed a lawsuit against these 3 schools it argues refused to follow its order. Those include Beth Eden Baptist School, Augustine Classical Academy, and Faith Christian Academy. The health department is seeking an injunction against those schools to force them to comply and allow health inspectors inside the schools. Defense attorneys have argued that schools should not be tasked with policing the county's mask mandate. Supporters of the schools filled up the courtroom this morning to the point where it was standing room only, and we spoke to a few of them before they made it inside.
But these people, with their belief in Christ, are not going to comply. They're going to put their faith and belief in something other than the government.
My kids are graduates of Faith Christian Academy. I am a patriot. I believe in God. I believe in the Constitution. And I'm kind of done with the county and our government in general overstepping their bounds.
So a judge will ultimately decide what happens with this injunction, and that is not going to happen today. Again, Dr. Don Comstock is still on the stand, guys, taking questions from defense attorneys. There are defense attorneys for each of these 3 schools, and there are more witnesses. So this certainly will not be settled today.
Yeah, the numbers and those voices we hear talk about the passion this issue has brought to the fore. So it will be interesting to see where it goes from here. Thanks, Noel.